Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. Today I'm going to show you how to make these home style potatoes that's great for breakfast, brunch, lunch, or even dinner, okay? Remember, if you enjoy my video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Everything will be in my description box. If you have any questions, drop them below. So just like with my eggs, I start potatoes in cool water, then, cut the stove on and add my potatoes. It cooks faster. And you want to add your potatoes right down in there before it boils or even get, hot. And yeah, so you can use the potato you prefer. I'm just using red skins because that's what I had on hand. Once your potatoes get to this step right here, you want to boil it for about 5 to 6 minutes until it's tender, and then you're going to drain it and set it aside like I'm doing here. So I cut the stove off, completely drained it, and now we're going to make it pretty. We're going to make her that girl. So to make her that girl, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of butter to a couple tablespoons of fat. You can use the fat or fats you prefer. And next, I'm going to add my potatoes right down in here. When you add your potatoes, do not move the potatoes. Your heat should be on medium high, not max and not low. Medium high, because you want to crust up the underside. So once that's going, I'm just going to let it keep going for about 4 minutes or so. This is the seasoning I'll be using, close to the end, so stay tuned for that. While it's going, I'm going to season this up with some smash seasoning as well as some chili powder. You can use ancho chili powder or smoked paprika. That works great as well. And I'm going to mix this up like I'm doing here. Look how beautiful that is. You see how the magic is starting to do something. You're like, Misha, what's going on? You see I'm getting there, honey. Let me get there. Okay? Once I get this nice and mixed up and, keep browning it, as you can see, you're continuing to see bubbles because it's searing. Okay, searing in the fat. Therefore, there's going to be browning. Therefore, there's going to be charring. So now you're going to add your veggies. This is onions, peppers, and a serrano chili that I chopped up. If you're not into spice, omit the chili. For all measurement ingredients, remember to check out my description box. And yeah, let me know what you think. Also, you guys, if you make my recipe or recipes, make sure you tag me. Once the seasoning is nice and in there and the peppers have cooked for about 4 minutes, then you're going to finish this up with some of the buffalo ranch. As you can see, I'm not using the entire bag, just sprinkling, just enough for the amount of potatoes that I have. And then you're going to cook this for another minute or two, and that's it. And not even 2 minutes, 1 minute actually. You're just going to mix it up and turn the stove off. People ask me all the time, you make such delicious potato dishes and recipes, and I'm like, I cannot stand potatoes. I'm not a potato girly, but I like fries every now and then. I might get some fries, but I'm not a potato girly at all. I don't know why. I don't know what the problem is actually. But these were great. They were fluffy, delicious. Look how beautiful they look. Now imagine you're a caterer. This is why I be talking to my caterers out there. Because, I don't want to be a restaurant owner or anything like that. So I don't mind putting people on. If you know you make breakfast or brunch, you need to make these potatoes. If you know your audience or your core supporters are not into spice, just, omit the chili. But these potatoes it's given top tier. And I'm not even kidding. And if you make this and you don't like it, you could come back here and you could drag me. I'm not even kidding. But yeah, so I'm adding some super delicious fluffy eggs. And those are actually buffalo sausage. I got it from the Aldi grocery store. And this is how it looks, you guys. So thank you guys so much for watching. I love you for your support. Again, if you make this recipe, tag me. Let me know what y'all doing. Let me know how y'all feeling. Okay, give me a thumbs up. And pretty much, I'll catch you on my next video. And this is actually the first episode of my brunch series. We just got done with the chicken one, so make sure you guys check the chicken one out as well. And yep, and I forgot to show y'all on camera how soft and fluffy the potatoes are. So this is me doing that. But thank y'all, and I'll catch you on my next one. Bye.